by economics? It is a social science concerned with the production, consumption and distribution of goods and services. Law of demand. Law of demand states that other factors being constant, the price and quantity of demand good and services are inversely related to each other. For example, when the price of a good increases, the demand for same product will decrease. What you mean by SLR? Statutory liquidity ratio is the ratio at which the minimum percentage deposit of bank is maintained in the form of cash, gold and approved securities. What you mean by CRR? Cash reserve ratio is the minimum percentage of deposit by bank which are maintained in form of cash. What do you mean by RBI? Tell me something about RBI. Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of India of our country. It is a statutory body. It is responsible for printing currency notes and managing the money supply in the economy, in the Indian economy. Its main function is issuing notes. It has the monopoly power to print currency note except the 1 rupee note. It is also known as banker bank. It is also known as banker to the government, known as controller of all credit, and is custodian of foreign reserves. What do you mean by repo rate? Repo rate is the rate at which commercial bank borrow money from Reserve Bank of India by selling their securities in case of shortage of fund, and the current repo rate is 3.35%. What do you mean by reverse repo rate? Reverse repo rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank of India borrow money from commercial bank, and the current reserve it also control the money supply, and the current reverse repo rate is 4.90%. What do you mean by bank rate? Bank rate is the lending rate at which commercial bank borrow money from Reserve Bank of India without providing any securities, and the current bank rate is 4.25%. You heard about SEBI? Yes, sir. So tell me something about SEBI. Security and Exchange Board of India is a statutory regulatory body interested with the responsibility to regulate the regulate the Indian capital market. It monitors and regulates the securities market and protect the interest of the investor by enforcing certain rules and regulations. It was established in April 12, 1988 and given statutory power on 30th January 1992. And its headquarters is in Mumbai. What do you mean by monetary policy? Monetary policy is the policy to control the money supply in the economy, to maintain stability, to control the money supply, to maintain the stability in the economy with the help of Reserve Bank of India. Fiscal policy. Fiscal policy, it is a policy. It is a policy which is controlled by government by expenditure and revenue policy. Okay. What you mean by law of diminishing returns? Law of diminishing return states that if one input in the production of commodities increases and other input being fixed, then there will be additional increase in the yield. What do you mean by inflation? Inflation is the rise in the price level in the economy over a period of time. It is causes due to increase in the cost of product, for example raw materials, wages, Okay. Anything more? Yeah, it affects the cost of living, cost of doing business, borrowing money. Okay. Okay. You heard about NABARD? Yes. National Rural National National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. Set up in 12 July 1982. It's for rural development and also it's for rural development and also for agriculture development. It helps the poor people and gives employment to the unemployed. Okay. Okay, Julie. That's all.